Taxi has an exhaust leak. It's been there ever since I've owned the car. However, it's now starting to get worse. So let's get it down to the workshop. Let's let them take a look at it and see whether it's a simple job of being able to patch it up or whether I'm actually going to have to replace the part itself. Does look like they're going to be patching it up with welding. So let's let them crack on with it. Enjoying the content, make sure you drop me a follow. I'm currently trying to get to 15k followers. Still got a long way to go. Your follow will certainly help. And let me know in the comments, are you still enjoying the taxi content? It's done, and it sounds so much better than what it did before. It's silent. Couple that with the new tyres that have been put on it, and we're well on our way now. Unfortunately, I just need to sort out this poxy water pump that's now playing up.